Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. I'm a mother as well as a makeup lover, of course. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the brand new Blend Money Cosmetic Forget Me Not Versatile Eye and Face Palette. This palette is definitely unique to the brand. Not only are the pan sizes bigger, but it opens up this way. It does have a mirror in it as well. It's definitely not what I was expecting when I seen that they were going to be launching a new collection, and I love that. They just kind of kept me guessing. This does have highlighters, and then you have all of your neutrals. You have a black, you have a white, this nice little pink here, and then you have like cool tones, warm tones. You can use this for literally anything on your face. So I did just use this on my eyes and my cheeks. I use this pink under my eyes, which I'll be demoing in this video for you guys. I also got sent their brush set, which is so super exciting because I was going to buy the brushes anyways. I did not expect to get the brush set, so the fact that I got the brushes is so nice for my wallet, and is giving me more like face brushes vibes. I'm so excited to see what other brushes that they plan on coming out with, because their quality of their brushes is just so super amazing. And of course I did use these in today's video as well, so I'll be showing those off. Other than that, I kind of wanted just like a super like long lasting base makeup because I am going to my cousin's Sweet 16 today. So I wanted to make sure that all of my makeup was going to last. So if that's something that you're interested in, that's what I'm going to be kind of doing in this video today, as well as, of course, the star of the show is going to be the Blend Bunny palette and brushes. So if you're curious to see how I used these products to, my hair's like a mess. If you're curious to see how I use these products to achieve this makeup look, you're definitely going to want to keep watching. And of course, don't forget to stay tuned until the very end of the video, where I will do an up close of my makeup for you guys. That way you can see the true beauty of the blend. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right on in. I feel like I had so much peace and quiet in my last video, and now it's just chaotic. So I am getting ready for my cousin's Sweet 16, so I wanted to do kind of like something super, you know, wearable and smoky eye. That's kind of the vibe in my head. So I thought, what better like palette choice than the brand new Blend Bunny Cosmetic Forget Me Not. This is a versatile eye and face palette. This is huge compared to her other palettes. I also got sent over the brush set, so I'm going to be using this today. I'm going to start with this fluffy one here. This doesn't have a number on it, but it's just this fluffy one. I already primed my eyelids, and I think I'm going to start with shade Anticipation, which is this Big Daddy here. Honestly, my house is chaos today. It is the weekend. I want to make sure that I'm filming like a little bit ahead of time, so that way like I could just get back into like the routine, my like routine filming, editing, uploading, all that stuff. So I figured, since I wanted to use this palette anyways, that I would film it for you guys. So that's what we're doing today. These brushes, this brush is like super duper soft, and I'm just going for like a really simple smoky eye moment. So just like that. Was that blurry the whole time? Ridiculous. I'll take a clean fluffy brush and just really soften the edges up. What? He gave me the... You can't go to Grandma and Grandpa's house. They're at work. Daddy is at jujitsu. I think I'm going to take this kind of funky shaped brush, also from the Blend Bunny set. I think this would be a really good, like, concealer brush, actually. There's this concealer brush, but I would use this because, like, it gets right in there. Whenever I'm doing, like, no makeup, like, when I'm going to pick my kids up from school, if I'm feeling like I look really tired, like, in these bags right here, I'll just take a peach color corrector and kind of just put it right here and then set it. This would be the perfect brush for that. So I think I'm going to save that. And I think I'll take this little flat packing brush with shade Picture Perfect. Oh yeah. The perfect chocolatey brown. I'm just gonna kind of pack this down and blend her out. So once I lay that darker brown down, I'll go back in with the first shade. And I'm gonna make sure that they're just nice and blended together. All right, that looks pretty darn good. You know what I'm thinking too? There's these highlighters in here. This one's kind of silver pink. I would say this one's like a champagne-y gold undertone, and then we have like a regular gold. I think I'm gonna take this gold. Just a little something something. Blend the edges out. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of black. I think this is black. This is shade Say Yes. So I'm gonna take some of this, just right on my lash line with the angled brush from Blend Bunny. So how I do my lashes is I'll put lash glue on the lash band as well as across my lash line, and then I will pop on some mascara while it's kind of drying. And then once it's ready, I just really make sure that it's stuck down. These babies will not go anywhere. The Lilly Lash Glue is like super mega hold, which is, I expect nothing less, you know, from a lash brand, that their lash glue is going to be like amazing. Aren't those so pretty? My foundation of choice today is going to be the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I love this foundation, and especially like for like special occasions. I bought this pump off of Amazon. That was fake as fuck, Estee Lauder. Honestly, I'm sick of my own shit today. Did you guys just see me stick my finger up my nose? I'm going to take the Pink Honey Contour Cake. S'mores and kisses. I'm just going to do a little snatched jaw. And a little snatched nose. So I'm just going to make sure this is pressed in really good. You cannot tell me my nose isn't snatched. So I'm going to do like this. Since I already contoured my nose, I don't need to worry about that. I'm just going to focus on my forehead and right above where I put that contour. Just going to add some warmth back to my skin after I kind of just whited everything out right now. So you could see how nice that looks. For blush, I'm going to take these two Plouise Cheek Lip blushes. This is shade Coral Morals and Legally Pink. We'll start with Coral Morals. And of course, I'm doing all of this before my concealer, so that way I could clean it up. So because this is so bright, I could take a little bit more of that pink, just right on the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm going to take my Fine Beauty concealer. I have the shade 4 and 14, so 14 is a little bit darker. So I'm going to put that right here. And then 4 is my brightener, so I'll put this everywhere else. I got to thumbs. This concealer is so good. It's actually disgusting. Alright, I'm going to take some more of this Milk Makeup spray. For setting my face, I'm going to take the Huda Beauty shade Pound Cake on a little, was it Trigwell puff? So I'm going to make sure that there's no creases before I set my face. Okay, I'm going to take the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer. I think I'm going to take the Blend Bunny angled brush for this. I think I'm also going to use this for my blush as well. Just to kind of set this blush in place. And then, of course, since I'm doing Blend Bunny, I got to do the Juicy Cheek palette. And I think I'll take just a little smidge of the shade Raw. Just set that right on top. I'm going to take some of that shade on a fluffy brush. This shade A Moment. And I'm going to use this to kind of soften in between my blush and under my eyes. You could probably definitely use this as like a brightener shade. But I'm just going to gently blend this into my blush. Super cute. I'm going to take some of the Bare Mineral powder. I'm also going to take this on my Trigwell puff. This is the original Mineral Veil powder. And I just kind of like to use this to make sure that my pores are minimized. It is a pink powder as well, so just keep that in mind. Now what we need is to set the face and some highlighter. I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Filter. Now that that's it down, I wanted to take the shade Butterflies as my highlighter. It's kind of like a pinky one. Alright, you ready for this? So I'm just taking this fluffy brush, picking some of this shimmer up, and really blending it in. I'm going to take some of this Lancome waterproof liner. This is a brown liner. And I'm going to put this on the top and the bottom of my waterline. I'm going to take the same brown shades that I took on top on bottom and just smudge them out a little bit. Alright, so I went ahead and I finished off the rest of my makeup. I decided to go with like a more like brownie lip since everything else is so like super natural. I was like, you know what, I think it'll be totally fine. So I went in with the NYX Suede lip liner in the shade Moonwalk, and then the Kaleidos shade Adobe. They're matte, like, what do they call these? The Cloud Lip Clay. And then I put the Maybe Mitchell Blursh shade Melon Sorbet right in the center to kind of just brighten it up a little bit. So that way I had like a nice little like nude lip going on. And this is the vibe. That highlighter is so gorgeous. I expected nothing less from Blend Bunny Cosmetics. I'm really excited that it's just kind of something a little bit different for the brand. Bigger pans, more neutrals, you know, like non-colorful highlighters. It's definitely, they're just definitely trying to get a little bit of everything, and I really love that. And then as far as the brushes go, they're the same great quality as the other brushes. I love how we have a face brush. We have like more like face brushes in this set. We have like one eye blend brush, a liner brush. I would definitely, you could use this on the eyes, but I would definitely use this for like spot concealing. You have your regular concealer brush, and then you have a nice big angled face brush. I really love that they're branching out with their brush sets. I think they do an amazing job on brushes, and these are so super cute. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. Without further ado, we're gonna go right on ahead, roll the clip.